How to fix TikTok shop not showing. Hey everyone, it's Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with these fixes. First of all, open the TikTok app on a mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Once inside the TikTok app, make sure that you are in your profile section. If not, then tap on the profile or me icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Now, once in your profile, tap on the three lines available at the top right corner of your screen to navigate to settings and privacy. Once you tap on it, options will be available on your mobile screen. From there, tap on the settings and privacy. Now scroll down till the bottom and tap on the report a problem option available there. Once inside the report a problem, again scroll down and there you'll get to see chat with us option available at the bottom and again tap on it. Once inside the chat with us, simply type down TikTok shop not showing and send the text. Now what happens is TikTok bot will let you know why the TikTok shop is not showing on your TikTok app, and it will definitely give you an idea of how to get it if it is available on your reason. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.